Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, July 22nd, 2014. It's now 2:36 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were up, but closed well off of their highs. The S&P closed up, and it hit a new all-time high. Price remains in the short-term uptrend channel, as well as the long-term uptrend channel. Resistance is at 1992. This is the Fibonacci 127% extension level. Support is at 1891 as seen by the green oval. The NASDAQ also closed up, and it closed above our old target of 3942. The next higher target is 4028. Price remains in the medium-term uptrend channel. The US dollar closed up 7 cents today. Price continues to approach our near-term resistance point of 21.6. If price can't break above 21.6, it may head back down. Support is at 21.24 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, July 22nd. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and our strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There's one strong currency and two weak currencies. The qualified pairs are the Swiss yen and the Euro yen. Here's our trade summary chart for July. For open trades, there are presently no open trades. As for new orders, there are none placed today. We'll discuss the reasons when we look at the price charts. Let's first look at the price charts for our two qualified pairs. The first is the Swiss franc yen. Price had been moving sideways and recently broke out to the bottom. I would prefer to see some consolidation at this level before placing a trade on this pair. Our second qualified pair is the Euro yen. This has been in a long-term downtrend channel. However, at the present time, we're at the bottom of the channel. If we see some consolidation at this level, it might be a trade. We'll now look at price charts for some of the more popular Forex pairs to trade. Here's the Aussie US dollar. Price continues to move sideways in this channel. And here's the Euro Aussie dollar. This has been in a long-term downtrend channel. It had been moving sideways for the last couple weeks and is putting pressure on the downside. The next pair is the pound yen. It had been in a long-term uptrend channel but recently broke through the bottom. We're now looking at the pound US dollar. This has been in a long-term uptrend channel. And the last pair we'll look at is the US dollar yen. Over the last couple of months, price has been moving sideways. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to DonchianTrader.com, and you can request the free trading guide. My podcasts are now on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1. The time of day to do the daily review. 2. Review of the two indexes. 3. Background on the ADX indicator. 4. Determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5. Selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.